So we just stood in line for about an hour, but
45.
we're about 45, whatever. It's looking pretty promising. Tahoe Day, it snowed about 4 feet over the past couple days, so hopefully they open up a couple other chairs, but it pretty much refilled to where we got about a foot last night, maybe 2 feet. And yeah, today's gonna be pretty fucking awesome. Any words?
No friends on a POW day.
Well, only girlfriends on a POW day, apparently. Boy, you have girlfriends on a POW day. Get in there! Phew! All of the trees. First run. What are we thinking?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Oh my God. We didn't even get to the good stuff. I don't know how well that recorded it, but yeah. We'll try and get as much footage as possible today. And the next day, I think Christmas is supposed to dump like 4 feet. Like, it's pow on pow on pow on pow. An insane day. The fog?
Yeah.
How bad?
Like half of them.
The pro tip?
Like the top half.
Like inside or?
Yeah.
What do you do now?
Yeah.
You ride. Go like this and try and get as much air in there as possible. Like leave them lifted like this.
Okay.
So that tip worked.
Pretty well.
Everybody's always asking for tips. That's definitely one. Do not take your goggles fully off unless you're gonna put them in your armpit. Like you put a goggle cloth on the inside of the goggles and then you put them in your armpit for a chairlift, and that usually sucks out all the moisture. If you don't have a lot of moisture, don't take them off. Just lift them up like this. Get your face a little bit colder because that's what's creating the moisture. And then the air will hit it without getting snow or water on the inside of your goggles. So yeah, little tip. I'm sure everybody struggles with that. Ready? Fuck that tree! Ew. I get you!
Yeah, let's hit the tree!
Sorry. Yeah? Ew. I couldn't be happier. After like a slow start to the season, it was looking really bleak. We were like, fuck, like what do we do? We were gonna get this camper, which we're still gonna do, but we might spend more time in Tahoe than we originally planned.
Yeah.
It's about to Nuketown, USA. And no better feeling than waking up 5 minutes away from the resort, coming here, riding POW, and then going home, not having to sit in traffic. And yeah, definitely do the camper, do a little bit of that, but it is looking too good to pass up in Tahoe right now.
Where?
You ready? Just straight down. Okay? Right here. Yeah? Dream of days like today. I got my buddy who didn't come ski with me the first pal day, but we got her on the second. That's all that matters.
It wasn't good enough for me the first time.
It wasn't good enough, apparently. 4 feet, not good enough. Girlfriends are for you. Yeah, doing the work. Fucking jump, I thought it was gonna be flat.